Hello, this is Caesar with Cali Custom Alignments. Today we have a new project that has arrived. This is a 1993 Nissan 240SX Coupe. We're going to be replacing the engine. The point with this one was that this one has rod knock damage. We're not sure how bad the engine is. So to make the job easier, we're going to be replacing it with this other engine over here. This one has, I believe, 100,000 miles with no damage. It was a running engine. This is a 200,000 mile engine, and as you see, it's been taken apart, but that's no problem for us. We specialize in reconditioning, testing, and assembling these engines a lot. It's a very popular engine that we really like. So far I see some hoses that need to be repaired, as well as some of the wiring that needs to be fixed. This used to be a factory automatic. The way we know is because of all these top plugs right there. So what we're gonna be doing next is pretty much just taking out the engine assembly, and that's all we gotta do. Let's go in the cabin and see how it looks like. Okay, here's a better look of the interior. Factory heads-up display. We have short shifter, and just need to finish removing everything here. So we gotta take the shifter out. We'll be taking the engine computer out, make sure that all the wiring is good. Next is let's inspect the new engine and see how it looks like. Okay, here's a better look of the engine assembly. Even though this is an S14 engine, this is still a S13 head. And that way we know is because it has casting numbers 53F, as well as the block. See, the block says 53F. Looking at the exhaust valves, they have some minor wear, especially these ones. So it's gonna burn a little bit of oil. Crankshaft seal, it's leaking. The pilot bushing is also worn out. We're gonna be replacing that. Swapping the intake manifolds and accessories. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It's just technically an S13 long block with S14 accessories. Let's take a look at the last set of parts. Okay, here's the last set of parts. We have a battery, an exhaust, a radiator, some hoses. We got some brackets right here. Let's have the other part of the intake manifold, some intakes. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. We're gonna go ahead and install all these parts onto the new engine. So to be continued, so stay tuned for the next part. Thanks for watching.